Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today is going to be short and sweet. There's not a lot of stuff I can say about the product that we're reviewing today. This is the Dollar Tree's Micellar Cleansing Water. This is a Greenbrier product, so it is a Dollar Tree product. It is a makeup remover and moisturizer, and you get 6.7 fluid ounces for $1. It's a really good deal in comparison to how much you get from Simple or Garnier and the price you pay for those. Now, is this similar to the other cleansing waters, the micellar waters? It is. It absolutely is. It removes makeup very quickly. It's very gentle on the eyes, actually. It takes little effort to remove your eye makeup and face makeup using this product, actually. So that alone makes it a decent product for me. In the directions, it says, apply cleansing water to a cotton pad. For face and eyes, gently wipe the cotton pad on face and around eyes. Avoid direct contact with eyes, okay? No further cleansing or rinsing is necessary. Let's talk about the little warning there on the back. Okay, it does all of those things. And I don't really consider it a moisturizer, but it does leave your skin not dried out. So I guess in that sense, it is moisturizing. When it claims avoid direct contact with your eyes, you absolutely better believe it. You can remove your eye makeup with this all day long and avoid your eye. Like your literal eyeball, okay? But if any of this gets in your eye, you are in for a painful, stinging burn. It's very painful. That's the downside to this product. I think it works very nicely, efficiently. It will remove all your makeup quickly, nicely, gently, and you don't even need to use a wipe afterwards to make sure you got everything. But it claims that you don't have to, and I can vouch that you don't have to. Like, it removes everything. It breaks down everything very nicely and quickly. But the burn that comes with this, it's best to remove your eyebrows, your eyeshadow with this. Remove your face makeup with this. But any eyeliner and mascara removal, honestly, you need to be using something else. Because I'm telling you, just a little bit of this in your eye and you are just lit up. So I would definitely be careful. Now, with that said, I do still recommend the product because it does actually work really great. You just have to be very careful around your eyes. And what's not to love about a $1 makeup remover that actually works and is gentle and doesn't leave your skin dried out? You get over 6.5 ounces of product for $1. You really cannot beat that. Another Dollar Tree product tested and proved to work. So I'm going to insert a demo clip of me using it here, and as you can tell, it does remove makeup very easily and quickly and efficiently with no effort at all. Found a new product you want to try out, stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. Don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links as well as other information. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming content. Thanks always for watching.